Hey there everyone, welcome back to Blades and More for a review of this KATSU traditional Japanese style folding pocket knife. KATSU is a Japanese company that makes very modeled knives, and this mid-size traditional bamboo handle with a shaving razor style blade is one of their more popular models. Comes in this cardboard box with a KATSU insignia and name on it. Also comes with this canvas carrying case and a heavy treated canvas carrying case with a belt loop. This is a mid-size knife. Comes in at 7.5 inches overall length, with a blade length of 3 inches and a handle length of 4.5 inches. Comes in at a fairly light weight of 3.35 ounces. It is a traditional Japanese style knife with a bamboo styled handle and this lever thumb notch opening method that some people have criticized because it is difficult to open with one hand. I prefer to open it with 2 hands, but it's a traditional style Japanese knife, and there's been a lot of models made in this same style, so the bamboo handle is straight, doesn't give your index finger a lot of protection. The flipper tab bar sits up above the handle. It's a little hot spot for your thumb when you're holding it. However, the knife is still has a lot of knife features. D2 blade material. The blade is 3 inches long with a hollow grind, kind of a tanto end style. Nice satin finish with a plain edge. The KATSU name and insignia on the blade. Has a nice curved spine with a nice sanding, sharpening choil. It's a D2 blade material. The handle is G10 handle material, bamboo styling. Has an open back construction with two nice machine pillars. Stainless steel liner that has not been skeletonized, with a stainless steel liner lock with nice jimping on the thumb area of the lock, and there's a nice cutaway so you can get to the lock. Locks up very nicely. The blade is 0.137 inches thick, a nice curved crown. It's a tip-up carry design with the right hand only placement of the carrying clip that is very stylish. Fair amount of real estate of the knife butt shows when carrying it. This knife, the centering on the blade is perfect. Very nice. Has a lanyard hole. Just a nice traditional style Japanese folding pocket knife. Comes in around the $50 price point. And it's very different from many of my other knives. I do have a very inexpensive styled piece with a similar design that is not near the nice quality that this KATSU is. So if you want this traditional Japanese thumb lever with the notches style piece, I would recommend this KATSU because it's a nice little piece. Comes in at 3.35 ounces, G10 handle material, D2 blade material. So there we go, everybody. It is the traditional style Japanese thumb notch lever, bamboo handle, folding pocket knife. All right now, thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you back again soon. All right, bye now.